occurs in prokaryotic cells in their cytoplasm. Respiration is nothing but the glucose molecule combines with oxygen to release carbon dioxide, energy and water. Combustion is nothing but if you take a piece of paper and if you burn it in the presence of oxygen, and it gives you that carbon dioxide and water, and little amount of heat energy gets liberated. That is what we are calling it as combustion. Let us discuss regarding the differences between respiration and combustion. Respiration is nothing but combination of substance with oxygen, but here in the case of combustion also oxygen combines with the combustible material. So definition: oxidation of glucose. When any glucose molecule combines with oxygen, ultimately carbon dioxide, water and certain amount of energy gets liberated. In the combustion, sugar first charts. There is an activity. If we take 1 tablespoon of sugar and keep it on the flame, and first it charts, burns and catches the flame, and carbon dioxide and then water and a little amount of energy gets liberated during combustion. Next, entire process occurs at the body temperature, but here heat is applied. See, to burn a paper or a cloth material, dry cloth material, heat, external heat to be applied in combustion, but in the respiration process external heat we are not supplying, only it is happening in our body temperature only, at our body temperature only. Occurs in the presence of water. See, that is what the reason during respiration in the nasal cavities itself, the inner lining of our nasal cavities, they are lined with mucus membrane, so the air gets humidified. That is what here it occurs in the presence of water, but combustion will not occur in the presence of water. It happens only in the absence of water. If we take the paper and dip it in water and we cannot make it to burn, that is what combustion will not be happening in the presence of water. It always occurs in absence of water. Next, respiration is a controlled process, but combustion is an uncontrolled process. Next, here in the case of respiration, energy is released in several